Okay, here we go. We're going to have a look at a Brown & Sharpe MICROMASTER, currently running on 220 volts. Now this machine was rebuilt by the factory, by the Brown & Sharpe factory in 1989 and has been given a new serial number, so that's up there. This is a MICROMASTER Series 2 type. So I'm going to go ahead and just start the table going here. And you see our column is moving back. On a Brown & Sharpe, it's the column that moves, not the saddle. And we come forward. Now the amount of that step is adjustable with this knob here on the side of the machine. So once you get past your workpiece and you feed down a little bit, then you go back. Now this machine is also equipped with a fine feed dial for the down feed, which is nice to have. It's also equipped with a Bezier lubricating mist system. Clean looking machine, nice paint, factory paint. Also what you have on these is you have a rapid movement of the slide just for rapid positioning, and also another finer feed rate. This is moving very slowly now. If you wanted to mount a diamond on there and just come down on your diamond each pass and then flip the switch and go back over the diamond again, maybe take another 2/10 off of it so you don't have to sit there turning it by hand. It's another nice feature on the Brown & Sharpe. Okay, so that's the Brown & Sharpe MICROMASTER. See it here at Machinery Values. All of the information will be on the website about it, specifications and so on. Thank you very much. This is a model 818, by the way, MICROMASTer 818. In other words, you can put an 18-inch chuck on here by 8 inches. This is actually an 18 by 6, so it's got a 618 chuck, Walker chuck, currently on the machine. Okay, so that's about everything. Down here you see you've got your little tools for taking the wheel off and the wheel puller. That's always nice to have. Okay, thank you very much.